Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Travel with Siri. We stayed 4 days and 4 nights at the Holiday Inn Express, which is right in the heart of South Bank in Melbourne. This place is perfect if you are looking to explore the arts hub of the city. It is just minutes away from the Melbourne Sky Deck Eureka, some amazing restaurants, the Crowne Casino complex, and the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre. Also, it is a quick walk to Flinders Street, which made such a great location for our stay at Melbourne. Check-in starts from 2 p.m. and checkout is at 10 a.m. But if there is availability of the room, they do allow early check-ins. We arrived at the hotel at 8 a.m. and luckily they had a room ready for us by 9:30 a.m. So we got to check in early and start our day sooner. I really like the aesthetically pleasing reception lobby here. It has spacious seating arrangements for travelers, which makes it super comfortable while you wait. There's even a small counter at the entrance where you can purchase some beverages and just relax. Also from the reception balcony, you can get to have an amazing view of the Eureka Sky Deck as well. I will drop the official website link of the Holiday Inn Express under my video's description. Kindly note that this is not a promotional video or sponsored by anyone. I'm just sharing my experience staying at Holiday Inn Express in Melbourne. We booked a deluxe room and our room was located on 14th floor. We are a family of 3 consisting of 2 adults and 1 child. So we always look for 2-bedded options. This is one of our priorities when choosing a hotel along with budget constraints. We often find it challenging when hotels only offer 1 king-size bed or 2 single beds. One of us always ends up sleeping on the couch instead, but at this hotel they offered 2 queen-size beds, which was quite comfortable. The room amenities and features include so many things from hanging closet, iron and ironing board. There is a flat screen TV in the room with the option to connect and cast your devices for a personalized viewing experience. There is an in-room safe, a mini refrigerator to store your food and beverages, along with a coffee and tea maker with supplies. The 2 queen-size beds are incredibly comfortable and could easily accommodate a family of 4. However, the room might feel a bit cramped for 4 people. Nevertheless, for our family of 2 adults and 1 child, the room is spacious and comfortable. From our room's window, you can catch a glimpse of the iconic Eureka Sky Deck building, which is just a quick 2-minute walk from our hotel. Eureka Sky Deck is Melbourne's premier viewing deck and one of Melbourne's top attractions. The bathroom is located at the entrance of the room and includes available bathroom amenities such as hair dryer, a separate walk-in shower, and a vanity area. Convenient amenities like hand wash, body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are readily available. The hair dryer provided especially was useful in the chilly weather, where temperatures fluctuated between 10 to 13 degrees Celsius. Guests can enjoy a generous breakfast buffet in a spacious restaurant designed to accommodate both small gatherings and large groups. The buffet features a variety of options including fresh fruits, a selection of cereals, assorted breads with spreads, a toaster station, a choice of beverages such as tea, coffee, and fresh fruit juices. Additionally, guests can choose from a selection of scrambled eggs and boiled eggs, hash browns and bacon.